Okay, I got all the components here, so we're going to start slapping some of them on this board. I'm going to start with a RAM. So I looked in the book, and it said with 2 modules like I've got, I'm going to install them in the 2nd and 4th slots. So let's go ahead and do that. You guys can see that, right? Alright, first thing we do, open this up, which I've already done, so you think this would be easier the second time. Oh boy. There we go. Whoops, this way. Alright. Okay, these definitely should be identical, so ground, 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 ground. First of all, let's both of these snap open, right? Is it just the one side? Yeah, it looks like it's just the one side. All right, that's new to me. Okay. Here we go. DDR5 7200. Going in. Uh-oh. What the hell is that? Something just fell off the piece of plastic or something. I don't know what that is. An optional piece, I hope. Is there something I'm supposed to peel off here? Let's see that. Which direction does this go? That way? Nope, other way. Alright, yeah, I think it just slides right in here like this. Do I have... Hold on, my own shadow's getting in the way. I think it just goes in just like this. Yeah, there we go. All right. There it is, boom. We're in on one. Now let's go to number 2. Yeah, all the DIMM slots I've always looked at, I've always had snappers on both ends. It looks like this just has the one, so. Come on. Alright, is there any plastic hanging off here I need to know about? I don't see any. I don't know what that was. Just some FOD, I guess. Uh-oh, somebody's talking to me. Hold on, let's get another good look in here and make sure I'm doing this the right way. I think I am. So, this is, I'm putting the second stick now on the 4th slot, or DIMM B2, I think they called it. Come on. Come on. Alright, there we go. I think I just need to push it in. Alright, something snapped. Hope that's in. Alright. And there you go. I hope that was mostly on camera at least. I think I'm going to do the CPU next. And in hindsight now, I wish I'd done the CPU first, because these are probably going to be in the way a little bit. But we'll work around it. I'll take them out if I have to. See you there.